Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Spike Cross game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable automatic movement and jumping within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spike Cross game on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just click on the settings icon at the top right corner and then tap on play from the settings menu. You will now see various different options where you can also see the automatic mode. If you enable this, then your player will move and jump automatically. If you want a more casual style of playing, then you can tap on this button to enable it. After this, you can go back and start your game, and you will notice that your player will now move and jump automatically. You can come back to this menu at any point of time to change this setting once again to increase the challenge. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable automatic movement and jumping on the Spike Cross game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.